5/12/2020. NASDAQ Composite. Party's over. This top right here was the major top. Now, let's talk about what took it from the bottoms all the way up in the NASDAQ. It was about 10 different stocks, really, that are heavily in the tech sector that led the whole rally off of the March 23rd bottoms like they always do. Wall Street got rich. People like us, we get rich. We only care about if it goes up or down, doesn't matter. Pigs get slaughtered. Um, the technology rally, which has been the biggest rally in the financial sector, and that is the reversal. That was the top. We call for reversal. It's verified, but it has to go down big, and it went down over 200 points. Now it's at 9,002. It's been the most remarkable rally. But remember, it's only the enterprise stocks, cloud computing stocks, and various other stocks, enterprise stocks, the leaders that happened before the pandemic. They're still growing earnings. Those technologies that we use and how we store data and all the other stuff, those companies are the ones outperforming. And they were always going to be the ones that were going to be outperforming everybody. And the Fed was out here buying up corporate bonds, ETFs. Yeah. Anyway, listen, the rally that happened in the NASDAQ Composite, which is the tech sector, has made a top. And it has, and it's there. Look for more downside to come. Once this particular index does have a correction, and remember, there isn't no more earnings that we have to worry about. There's not going to be a lot of data other than the stupid virus data, and the financials are not performing. They did not, and they're going back toward their March lows. And those are the big banks, and they're telling us something else. And these beaten down airline stocks, these idiots are buying. I mean, how ridiculous can they be? And then we have the big reversal in the Dow and the Nasdaq and the S&P and the fear indicators in the VIX and the VXN came up. Knowing when people always love to buy after rallies happen in bear markets. That's just always the case. And this is the case. Big downside, technology, FANG stocks let it up, but when they start to sell them, the Apples, the Googles, the Amazons, the TDD, the SHOP, the CMG, ISRG, I can go on and on of all the ones we make markets with. They're all coming down. They all had the great rally. It's time for people to lighten up and take money. And that's what will happen. But the bright spot is once we do get hopefully a good 10% pullback in the tech sector or 7%, whatever it's going to be, when we look forward, it's still going to be the best place to be, and it will. Semiconductors led the rally up with the technology stocks all the way to the moon, and they're all overpriced, way overpriced. And the technology sector's more overpriced than where the pandemic was, in my view, on a weekly chart. This is a daily one here, but I can just tell you up front, more downside to come. Easy money was made. If you get caught at the highs and chase it, then you deserve to get taken to the woodshed. Let it be known. We've updated it for our hedge fund managers, our trader network worldwide, our trading partners, and different companies we work with. This is the beginning of the tech bubble that rallied all the way up. And today it gave up the winning streak. You can't call a reversal at a major resistance level, and we have the full record. We have it all. And we have it all right here. And we've called it from day one. So let's be real about what directional price movements will be coming. And once again, stay tuned. And update partners, traders, worldwide network, followers, hedge fund managers, money managers, all of you alike. Look for more downside to come. Easy money has been made.